This is one of the top asked questions I get. I'm here to serve y'all with the deets, okay? Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over my hair care routine. This is one of the top asked questions I get. What is my hair routine? I'm gonna walk y'all step by step. I'm here to serve y'all with the deets, okay? First off, I am a straight natural for the most part. Shockingly, I have some people that don't know what that means. They're like, what is that? Basically, it's when you have naturally curly hair, like your hair is not relaxed or anything, but you mostly wear your hair in a straightened state or stretched state, maybe blow dried. I don't wear my curls often. I basically became a straight natural when I became a mom because I didn't have much time to tend to my curly hair. And when maybe 2 times I did try to wear my curls, my hair would mat and tangle up and I would lose literal chunks of hair. So I decided being a straight natural was best for me. And my son is about to turn 3 now, so that's pretty much how long I've been a straight natural. And I do feel like there is a lot less breakage with me being a straight natural. That's another thing I get asked a lot. The answer is yes. I have tighter curls. I have 3C4A curls. So it's a little bit harder for me to detangle my hair. And one thing is when I would wear my hair curly, I would wash once a week. I would constantly have to be detangling, not to mention all the styles that you do with curly hair. Sometimes you might have to detangle it again, slick it back, spray some water. So I do feel like there was more breakage when I wore my curly hair. Now my wash day is every 1 to 2 weeks. It really just depends on my schedule, my mood, and also how I'm wearing my hair. So let's say I've been in the mood to just wear my hair blow dried, maybe add some curls. I might wash my hair once a week. Kind of depends on how much stress I'm gonna put on my hair too. So if I were to full on straighten my hair, that's a lot. And so I wouldn't wanna do that every single week. So if I'm in the mood where I wanna just wear my hair full on straight, I'm gonna wash it and straighten it every 2 weeks. I really have been in this phase where I try not to straighten it back to back to back to back to back to back to back. So I might flip flop and one wash day wear my hair straightened, one wash day blow dry it, add some curls, which is kind of like how my hair is now. Besides the blow dried part, I actually did a roller set with this style and I went in and hit my roots and just added some curls. A lot of times I'm not in the mood to straighten it. So I will just, blow dry my hair, do the rollers. I know y'all know the rollers. Y'all seen them. I've done them a million times. The big chunky rollers. These 3 chunky rollers that I wear overnight, I sleep in these. The other day I added some curls and I popped these in, went to sleep, wake up, take them out. So that's how I would maintain my hair in this state. The other day I curled my hair with this. I've been loving curling my hair with this, kind of like a Dyson dupe. A company called Bright Up sent this to me. But if I'm wearing my hair straight, I wrap it, wake up in the morning, take it out, go. That's how I maintain my straight hair. Every now and then if I get bored, I'll do a braid out. I kind of like to switch things up and find different ways to style my hair, sometimes without using heat because I do use so much heat automatically. And I just love finding different ways that I can make my hair stretch to that next wash day if I'm doing a 2-week wash day. So, say I straighten my hair kind of gets oily within just a few days really. So say I straighten my hair, it's feeling kind of stiff by the 3rd or 4th day. I want to do a braid out. Braid my hair, grab my spray bottle, wet it a little, maybe add a little mousse, go to sleep like that, wake up in the morning, take the braids down. So I do braid outs a lot. So yeah, those are the main styles I do. As far as trims, I trim my hair 1 to 2 times a year. I'm not really a person that believes in going in, getting a trim every 2 to 3 months. The average person's hair grows about ½ an inch a month. So honestly, when you say in 2 months, your hair grew an inch. Every 2 to 3 months you go to the salon. Well, you're kind of chopping off all the growth you're getting. But that's just me. I don't necessarily trim my hair unless I just absolutely need it. I can see that I need the trim. I don't believe in just doing it for no reason. When I feel that my hair absolutely needs a trim, then I'll trim it. I did get a cut in 2020, 2021-ish. I get a lot of people asking me how I grew my hair so fast. Partially genetics. The other half is how I take care of my hair. For the most part, I'm pretty decent in my hair. But again, I do feel that I see a lot less breakage now that I wear my hair straightened more. Because sometimes your hair could be growing consistently, but it's just breaking off. So, you know, you can't retain length and you don't get to see that growth. A huge part of my routine, I'm always gonna say, is deep conditioning. I deep condition every single wash day. It really helps to strengthen your hair so that you can retain that length. I have seen such a difference many years ago when I started to deep condition my hair. You will notice a major difference in your hair, how you can retain length, how strong your hair is. Because my hair has been through some things. Although I try to be as gentle as I can with my hair, it's been through some things. So I highly recommend you deep condition. And really, there's so many good deep conditioners out there. I mean, just pick one. I love so many deep conditioners. I've tried a lot. Shea Moisture has good ones. There's decent cheaper ones like L'Oreal. Yeah, there's so many good ones. Another thing is a leave-in. Once I started using a leave-in every time I do my hair, I've noticed a major improvement as far as breakage too, and how nourished my hair is. Right now, lately I've been using the Redken Anti-Snap one for a little minute now. That's a really good one, but I'm kind of on the hunt for a new favorite, that one that I might like a little bit more. I don't know, but for now, I'm rocking with the Anti-Snap one. It really helps me when I'm detangling my curls right before I go in and style. So that also helps prevent breakage. But yeah, y'all, this is pretty much my routine. If you have any more questions, just leave them down below and I will get to them. But that is it. I hope this helps and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.